Yellowtail sometimes, they say. You guys fishing? Where you guys spawn?
It used to be, right?
Where you guys spawn? Yeah. This is, I guess stuck up.
Yeah, right? Yeah, no. I gotta say,
How many people are here today?
local?
No, they're all from LA. They just came here.
Really?
You guys Romania, no same thing.
Yeah. No, it's not here.
There's a lot of countries there too, right?
Yeah, yes.
Oh, yeah, Guam, there's a lot of fish here, right? Oh, man, yeah. All right, thanks.
Lucian, if we don't get any bonita, like, if we start not getting any more, let's just go to Pebbly now.
Maybe, I don't know. I have an idea.
Hey, how about me and Trevor go try to catch a bat reaper bait right now?
Where?
Over at the spot.
It's low tide, you're not gonna catch shit.
And it's daytime.
Yeah, you're not gonna catch shit.
Batteries leave, they only come out at night pretty much.
You're not gonna catch shit.
Bobby lang yung hinihintay niya eh.
Wyatt, throw your sniper. Why didn't you fly?
I can't. Shit. No, don't reel. Don't reel. Okay, hold up. Wait here. Okay, hold up. Let's see what's going on here. Here, get fuck. Flip this fish. It might come off. Just don't want to snap my rod tip. You know what I mean? Okay, hold up. What's going on here? You see this part of the line?
Ciao, ciao.
Yan.
Isok talaga, magaling yung kaya.
Yeah, while you're at it, put in the
Yeah?
started reeling in my freaking.
Sa pool guys, sa pool ang dami. Wala na, ano na to? Last hour na. Yun. Kagatan, Kiplorante. Wala, laki.
Patay!
Patay ang bulit.
Patay! Patay!
Yep! Up! More, more, more! Oh! Woo! Guys. Lo, ano? Akit to? Okay. Ah! Ah, 7 o'clock. An Big one. Woohoo! Pa-picture na lang tayo dyan. Pa-picture tayo, picture. Wow! Nasaan si Flo?
Tumingin ka naman ba?
Oh.
Picturean mo nga ako. Oh, picture mo nga ako. Ako nang lucky. Ano? Picture. Ade, isang ganda. Tanggala.
Mamaw.
Mamaw. Picture na lang tayo, hindi tayo makakuha eh. Grabe, ang dami. Daming tao.
Nagluto siya, ano?
Ano?
Sinigang.
Saan?
Meron.
Oh, nagluto sila?
Ano?
Oo, yeah.
Meron ka ba? Gusto mo ba?
Sinig.
sabi mo?
Grabe ah. Ah, sinigang?
Ay, ang labanos ko, nalimutan ko.
Hindi, ano kami, naggulay.
Ah, gulay.
Oo, tinawagan namin ng isda.
Ah,
Evidence ko eh.
La.
oh, grabe. Ano na yung tawag dyan?
Lagay mo na.
Ha?
Pwede na, luto na isda. O, baka malako.
Oh, ano na yan?
Yan eh... di ba luto na?
Wow, grabe oh.
Tikmin mo na.
Bakit may ang ate mong hugasan ni alat na?
Eh, hindi nga, tikmin nga.
Mamaya pag nilagay ko nga yung marijuana.
Bonita. Fresh bonita.
Quiet. Quiet.
Brad, kilyo natin. Hugasan mo ulit.
Quiet. Yo, quiet.
Oo.
Okay. Okay, okay. Thank you. Sarap ng mangga.
Eh, oh, papi.
Tamis ah. Thank you.
May nilapat kang kamay.
Ayun talaga ako. Sarap ito eh.
Tabang?
Tabang.
Eh, mahulugan pa kaya.
Tangina yung isang ulo kasi laki dito. Kaputak ina ang selfie oh. Wala katawan no. Tapapi oh.
Pusang gala. Iba pala yung tiningnan nila.
Sanggala.
Tangina talaga.
Wala ka.
Grabe naman ito talagang.
Sarap guys.
Eh, isang peso naman. Hoy.
Wala nga yung payong mo, Brad.
Tayo, hindi makisama yo. Pinatakluman tayo.
Aha.
Alam mo ang ano eh. Alam mo kung saan ang araw eh.
Ay na. Ayun po.
Pero ito pang kanin? Saan pang kanin ito?
Oo, yan na rin.
Sarap.
Thank you.
Nilambot pati ano? Pinigasan.
Nanlambot yung payo.
Thank you ng marami.
Ben, ay na.
Ang ganda ba naman ng posisyon na yun eh. Ako man yun.
Oop, grabe, sarap. Sarap guys, no? Kain.